in a truck?
Why you walking like that?
Because
It's not even a truck. You've been extra. Tree. Something wrong with
yeah, we in a semi. That was exciting news that I had to share with y'all. Obviously, y'all know my husband's a truck driver. Hopefully, y'all can hear me pretty okay. But yeah, I don't know. That probably wasn't as good as it. Why are you pulling out?
I'm not. I'm pulling up so I can see across the boat.
That probably wasn't as good as a reaction, like excitement. But I'm really excited, y'all, to be in the truck.
No, you was dramatic as hell. That's what it was.
But yeah, we're on our way to Warrenton, Virginia to pick up an empty trailer so we can head to his distribution center, which is in South Boston. He's on the Dollar General account, so yeah, the Warner Dollar General account. If anybody near y'all are familiar with that, he's going to be unloading the trailers at every store, whatever that he goes to. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, we're on our way to Warrenton now. You got anything you want to say to the people?
Nope. Just ready to get it started.
Yeah, we ready to get started, get on the road. We're currently bobtail, which means we don't have a trailer connected to the truck. We just have the truck, which I hate. I hate riding bobtail. I hate driving bobtail. It's annoying. But anyways, yeah. So I'll check back in a little while. It's really not too much more like for me to say at the current moment. Hopefully y'all can hear me because this truck is really loud. Yeah, there's not really too much more for me to say right at the current moment. I'm just about to like enjoy, I guess, the ride or whatever. Because I ain't been in a truck in a long time, as y'all know. If y'all don't know, I have a CDL as well, so I could drive one of these big rigs if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I just enjoy riding in them. So yeah, as you guys can see, we are headed to Warrenton, Virginia, like I said, to pick up this empty. And yeah, I'll check back in a little while.
Merge left on I-78 West.
Good morning, guys. This might be a little choppy vlog because, like, yesterday, after I cut my camera off, well, not right after I cut my camera off, but a lot of stuff happened yesterday, and it was just too much for me to just pick up and record and show y'all. But this is the next day. We're on our way now to the Dollar General facility distribution center. So yeah, like I said, a lot of stuff happened yesterday. So we bobtailed, like I said, to get the empty trailer or whatever. When we got there, the trailer was parked like heck of weird. Like my husband, he had to, show off his backing skills to get it. But when he backed up to, I don't know if you guys don't know. You probably don't know how the whole connected to trailers work. But the trailer didn't lock onto the tractor or whatever. So when we went to go drive off, everything was fine or whatever until it was like a hill or whatever, and the trailer, it started to slide, like it disconnected from the tractor and started to slide. So if y'all, I know y'all probably are familiar with Swift, and just like seeing like things happen like with tractor trailers when like the trailers fall over and stuff. That was about to happen to us yesterday. Luckily it didn't happen. We fixed it, but it was just, we was both in shock. We almost had a trailer fall on us the first night that we were out together. Like, just imagine. So we had to crank it back up to get it even and then connect back. But that was some crazy mess yesterday. Oh, look at this view. Y'all already know from my last vlog, I gotta get the views. But anyways, yeah. Got anything you want to say? Yeah, we're hoping to get a load today so that we can start bringing some money in, because like I said, we're on the way to the distribution center now, so hopefully they have a load ready for us when we get there, or not even when we get there, like before we leave, they have a load for us to start making some money, because yeah, that was a crazy day yesterday. Did anything else happen yesterday? I think that was it. But yeah, I'm just going up here to give you guys an update. I don't know, this will probably be a shorter vlog just because, it's not much that I can do on the road. I can't do any, you know, beauty videos or anything. All I can do is vlog. So hopefully y'all enjoyed these videos that I got coming out. This one should be up tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and like finish recording the rest of this day. Anything that happens and edit it tonight to get it up tomorrow. So hopefully everything goes as planned. But yeah, right now we just, you know, we're just driving, getting these miles down. We have about 30 minutes. 30 minutes left, 28 miles to go till we get to the distribution center. So I'll be back up here to give y'all the next update or show you guys what's going on next. Hopefully y'all can hear me because this truck is loud. But yeah. You got it?
Yeah. I might just pull the button.
Oh. To disconnect?
Yeah. I'm gonna try this first.
Oh, pulling it out? He gonna try to pull the trailer loose manually from the tractor. Oh well, he got it. That was pretty easy. I know y'all can't get a clear view because I don't got no shoes on. I'm not stepping out here with no shoes on. He's about to lower the trailer now. I think I really can't see. I'm sorry. But how the trailers have like landing gears on them, like that one, that red piece there, he's just lowering it down so the trailer, when he pulls off, the trailer doesn't fall to the ground. So, but we're at the Dollar General. We're at the Dollar General Distribution Center now. We just got here. My husband, he has to go talk to his manager. Because he has to do his orientation, since this is technically, will be the first load that he's pulling by himself. So he has to go talk to his manager, do orientation, and then they're going to give him a load.
Nobody dropped it.
Yeah, you do. They have this paper where you gotta write down where you drop the trailers at.
I almost forget.
Yeah, because I used to always forget to do that, and they'd be like, well, how are we supposed to know where you dropped it? I'm like, I don't know, it's on, I think it's that one right there. You gotta write down the spot that you dropped the trailer off. That's the trailer right there.
I think that's what letter is that?
M?
Is that him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the trailer he just dropped right there. M25. Yes, it's when you don't put down where you drop the trailer, they get mad up there at the garage shack because they don't know where you dropped the trailer, which is, I mean, it's understandable, but they be catching whole attitudes. I'd be like, Joe, it's not that serious. I dropped the trailer. Oh, see that? See, look, that would have been an accident. He didn't even look where he was going before he turned around. You guys.
Yo, what's up, peoples?
We're at a truck stop.
Waiting on my load. They take forever.
Watch your language. Even though I curse a little bit, but still.
Yeah. We gotta talk about. Let's see if y'all can see that. Talking about that I ain't gonna get a load till 5 o'clock. I've been here since 12.
Well, you're the first. You gotta do your orientation.
Yeah. They gave me extra more trainings to do. I don't know why, but I have more trainings. Like every time I go somewhere, it's trainings. It doesn't make any sense. I just want to make money. But whatever, I guess. This is her.
We got Bojangles. I got a chicken sandwich and some dirty rice. Get into it. And a Coke, Pepsi. So I'm tearing this up because I'm hungry. What you got? Show them what you got.
My food all gone.
What'd you have? You had fries.
And chicken.
4-piece combo dark. As I say every time, let me get a 4-piece combo dark.
You gotta get the dark meat, that's the best.
It's not gonna stay right there.
You don't know that.
Like I said, we gotta pick up a load at 5. Hopefully it's ready at 5. And then probably head to the store. So update, finish my food. And I don't know. I'll probably take a nap because we ain't doing nothing. That's the thing about it. We ain't doing nothing. Jack squad. My camera's about to die. I gotta charge my camera. Yeah. Stomach full. But I'm still keep eating because I'm greedy. You sitting here watching Married at First Sight. Y'all probably can't even see that. Married at First Sight on the tablet. Well, yeah, you better just chill out. Well, I'm about to chill out. He's still working. I'm not working. But yeah, I mean technically I am working. I'm talking too much. All right, bye. See you later.
You good, Trees? I said, you good? Trees, I'm tired of you keep telling me you're fine. I said, oh, you good? All right, then say yes. Don't say you fine, because you're fine. No, I'm not mad. I'm saying, but your fine means so many different things. You be like, I'm fine, then you be like, I'm not fine. I'm trying to make sure you good.
Hello, guys. It is currently right now 7:08 p.m. I repeat, p.m. Last time I was on here was about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I want to say. And literally, I think I said it in my last clip that we were supposed to pick up our load at 5, and we're just now picking the load up. We waited and everything, and we're just now leaving. They were almost 2 hours late. When I looked at the time, we were supposed to pick it up at 5. When I looked at the time, when we was leaving the distribution center, it was 6:39 or something like that, 6:40. They were almost 2 hours late putting our load out. And my husband, you know, he kept checking with them like, hey, is the load supposed to be ready? Like, yeah, it's supposed to be ready at 5, you know. And then checked again, hey, check back at like 5:30, whatever. I'm like, yo. So they had just put the load out almost 2 hours later, which is annoying because we could have been there by now. Literally, it was only an hour and some change drive. Like, we could have been there and probably unloaded the truck or start unloading the truck or whatever. Now, yeah. But anyways, we're on our way, as you guys can see now, to the Dollar General, which it's in North Carolina. So we have 3 stops in total to do tomorrow, and then I guess he's picking up another load tomorrow after we get back to deliver on Saturday, and then we're gonna go home for the weekend. He probably won't go back out till like Tuesday or something next week. But yeah, just a quick update. It's getting dark, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to like record or whatever. I wanted to get some footage of us unloading the trailer. I don't know if we're gonna do that tonight now because like it's late. By the time we get to the store, they're gonna be probably about to close or closed, if not. So I don't know. This might be the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You want to say anything? Hopefully they can see you. They probably can't even see you.
I'm ready to go home.
Yeah, I'm ready to go home too. Hopefully this isn't too dark because, like I said, it is dark outside. It's 7 o'clock. Like the sun is setting. Hopefully it's not too dark. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see y'all in the next upload. Bye.